Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all our viewers. This is our educational channel Learning Biology Online, and I am Dr. Asad, and as a specialist of biology I will be discussing some of the very important components of the enzyme structures in this lecture. By the end of this lecture, I hope that you will be having a very good idea of the different components that include the apoenzyme, holoenzyme, cofactors and their coenzymes, how we can define them and what is their significance, whether they are really required in every chemical reaction for the enzymes or not. So we start off with the cofactors first of all, that are non-protein compounds or certain metallic ions that may be attached to the enzyme during its activity. अब ये ज़्यादातर कोफैक्टर्स अक्सर जो है इस तरह के केमिकल रिएक्शन में इस्तेमाल होते हैं जब वो इवन ड्यूरिंग प्रेजेंस ऑफ एंजाइम जो है केमिकल रिएक्शन अगर नहीं कर रहा होता, तो ये बेसिकली एज एन एक्टिवेटर एक्ट करते हैं कि वो इस केमिकल रिएक्शन को एक्टिवेट करवाते हैं एंड दे बेसिकली फैसिलिटेट दैट स्पेसिफिक chemical reaction. So you can see the two ions that can act as cofactors, that are iron and magnesium. कोई भी केमिकल रिएक्शन जिसकी फॉर्मेशन अकरेंस जो है वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो उसके केस में आयरन एंड मैग्नीशियम आर सम स्पेसिफिक ions that act for converting the reactants into products. So other than the cofactors, we can also see coenzymes associated with an enzyme that are an organic molecules loosely bounded to the enzyme structure, and they are a necessity for a chemical reaction. So this is where the coenzymes that differ from the cofactors. The cofactor may not be required in a chemical reaction, whereas coenzyme, they are always a necessity of a chemical reaction to be carried out. And then you can see the two different types of coenzymes that exist in nature, the FAD and NAD, जिनके बारे में हमने पढ़ा था कि these are the two dinucleotides that exist and they are involved in very important oxidation reduction reaction within the cell, जैसे कि Krebs cycle है, उसमें भी different types of chemicals की formation में FAD, that is flavin adenine nucleotide and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, इनका रोल होता है. तो आगे जाके जब ये बायो एनर्जेटिक्स में ये ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन रिएक्शंस पढ़ेंगे तो मल्टीपल टाइम्स वी विल कम अक्रॉस दीज टू dinucleotides that act as coenzyme in various chemical reactions. Apoenzymes की अगर हम बात करें तो they are basically the inactive protein part of an enzyme that require cofactor for their activation. अब असल में ये apoenzyme basically these are इस तरह के जो components हैं वो उन enzymes में exist करते हैं जो कि potentially damage cause कर सकते हैं हमारी internal body के cells को. तो इसलिए first of all they are secreted in inactive form and then they are activated. तो यहाँ पे हम example ले सकते हैं pepsinogen की, that is an enzyme involved in digestion of carbohydrates in our body. So this is first of all secreted in an inactive form, and then by the activity of a cofactor, this inactive form is converted into the active form overall, and then the enzyme performs its specific action. When the inactive protein component, the apoenzyme, it is activated by the association of cofactor, that then becomes the biologically active polypeptide chain known as the holoenzyme. और इसकी examples में हमारे पास DNA और RNA polymerase enzymes आ जाते हैं that are actively involved in formation of the DNA and RNA nucleotide chains. Lastly, we come to another very important component of the enzyme that may be an organic or an inorganic molecule covalently bounded to the enzyme that is known as the prosthetic group to facilitate the enzyme in its activity. तो हमने बहुत सारी एक्टिविटी या फंक्शंस पढ़े थे एंजाइम की, जिसमें से एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन होता है लोअरिंग द एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. अब ऑब्वियसली एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी होती है कि जो मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी दैट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड टू कन्वर्ट रिएक्टेंट्स इनटू प्रोडक्ट्स. तो एंजाइम बेसिकली क्या कर रहा होता है कि उस एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट को ख़त्म कर देता है कि कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी जो है वो रिएक्टेंट्स को रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होगी टू कन्वर्ट इनटू प्रोडक्ट्स. सो दिस एक्टिविटी ऑफ द एंजाइम इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो प्रोस्थेटिक ग्रुप के जो ये डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स हो सकते हैं जो कि आइदर दे आर ऑर्गेनिक और इनऑर्गेनिक, जिसमें कि कॉन्जुगेटेड मॉलिक्यूल्स आ सकते हैं, स्पेसिफिक विटामिन्स और लिपिड्स आ सकते हैं. दे एक्ट एज प्रोस्थेटिक ग्रुप टू enhance the ability or activity of a specific enzyme. Do like our video if you have a good understanding about the different components that could possibly be associated with an enzyme, and do share it with your colleagues if you think it can be helpful for them as well. And in the comment section, do ask if you have any question relevant to the topics that we have covered in this video. So as in our upcoming videos we will be discussing the mechanism of the enzyme. So do subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so you can receive the notification of our new video on our regular basis. Thank you very much.